Okay, so today I'm helping the MechaniChicks figure out what a T-Rex can do working on a vehicle. We have our T-Rex and we have our vehicle. So now we're going to go check oil level on our vehicle. This should be really good. We have successfully opened the door. And we can reach the hood latch. Oh, T-Rex is gnawing on the side of the windshield here. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. I hope that doesn't leave any tooth marks. And can the T-Rex fit around? Yes, indeed we can. Yes, indeed. Oh! T-Rex is jammed in between the truck and the door. Oh, yeah. Hood doesn't go up. Okay, we had a little bit of trouble getting the hood up, but that has been done. So now our T-Rex is going to proceed to try to check the oil. And what? T-Rex have tiny arms. T-Rex can't see over the front of the truck. Oh my God. What are we gonna do? We need a stool, I guess. Something to stand on. Oh, we're working our way up the lift. If I can capture this. T-Rex has tiny arms. Checking the oil is not an option. T-Rex is not able to check oil. Oh boy. Well, T-Rex, are you able to check the brake fluid? Brake fluid is in the back. It's hard to capture. And no, T-Rex's tiny arms don't reach over the edge of the fenders. No. I'm pretty much thinking that almost anything inside there is going to be tough for T-Rex to do. We're certainly not doing any tune-ups or major engine repairs. Nope. Maybe we can reach the radiator cap? Is that an option? Here we go. And maybe... no, we are not able to reach the radiator cap. Oh my goodness. Well then, I'm not sure that hiring a T-Rex to work on your car is going to be the best choice. We could possibly check lights with a T-Rex. My understanding is that T-Rex's eyes work best if things are moving though, and checking the lights when the vehicle's driving is not going to be a fun experience. No. That's not going to work well. What else can we do? We can check tire pressure? Maybe? Give it a try? Let's see if we can go get a tire pressure gauge. We'll be right back. Okay, we are back. T-Rex has a tire pressure gauge, and we are going to try to check tire pressure on this truck. Here we go. And whoa! T-Rex jaw just smashes into the side of the truck. That's gonna leave a dent. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh, nope. T-Rex is leaving tooth marks in the side of the vehicle. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Oh, there we go. We got in there. Yep, good. And we stashed the valve cover. And sure enough, we're able to put the tire pressure gauge on there. Oh, and there we go. Yes, T-Rex can check tire pressure. If you pull up to a gas station and a T-Rex offers to check tire pressure, you can say yes please and you might find success. Yay!